Want to turn webinars into a revenue machine? GoHighLevel makes it simple to build a paid webinar funnels that sell before, during, and after the event. Start with a landing page where visitors can register and pay. GoHighLevel integrates payment buttons, so you collect revenue upfront before they even join. Set up email and SMS reminders leading up to the webinar. This keeps attendance high and ensures your paid spots actually show up. After the webinar, GoHighLevel automatically sends replays, follow-ups, and upsell offers. You can pitch coaching, courses, or high-ticket services, all in the same funnel. With built-in analytics, you'll see exactly how many signed up, how much revenue came in, and where you can optimize for even bigger results. This is how you run a paid webinar funnels on GoHighLevel. Automated, profitable, and built to scale. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.